This YouTube channel makes $60,000 a month, and the guy running it never shows his face or even films anything. You can set up a faceless YouTube automation channel like this and make thousands of dollars a month. Here's how. Step 1. Pick a niche. Your niche decides what your videos cover and who's watching them. Some of the best niches for making money on YouTube are health, wealth, relationships, travel, and tech. These pull in big crowds and can make you more money. For example, a health niche could be about workouts or meal plans. A wealth niche could be about saving or investing. You want a niche you're personally interested in, so you don't burn out, but it's got to be one that pays well. To figure out how much a niche can earn, look at something called CPM, which is how much you make for every 1,000 views. Niches like money or tech usually have higher CPMs, so you get more per view than with something like gaming or vlogs. To choose your niche, jot down topics you like or know something about. Then, check if people care about those topics on YouTube. Go to YouTube's search bar and type in words tied to your niche. Look at the videos that pop up. Check their view counts and how many subscribers those channels have. If you see videos with tons of views, that's a sign there's an audience. You can also use Google Trends to see if people are searching for your niche. This tells you if there's enough interest to bring in viewers. Once you've picked a niche, stick with it. Posting videos on the same topic helps YouTube know what your channel's about and show your videos to the right people. Step 2. Create content. What I love about faceless channels is that you can create awesome videos without expensive gear or being on camera. There are a few ways to do this. One of the easiest is using stock footage. That's pre-recorded video clips you can download and use. You can find free stock footage on sites like Pixabay or Pexels, or get higher quality clips on a site like Storyblocks. To get started, go to the Storyblocks website and sign up. Search for clips that match your niche. For example, if your channel's about budgeting, search for shopping or groceries. Download high-quality, copyright-free clips that you're allowed to use on YouTube. Once you've got your clips, you'll edit them together to make a full video. For the editing itself, I recommend using free tools like CapCut, which works on phones and computers, or iMovie if you're on a Mac. Open CapCut and start a new project. Add your stock footage clips by clicking Add and picking the files from your phone or computer. Drag the clips to the timeline in the order you want them. Trim any parts you don't need by clicking a clip and dragging the edges to shorten it. Add transitions between clips by going to the Transitions tab and picking something like Fade or Slide. To make your video stand out, add a voiceover to explain what's going on. You can record this with your phone's voice recorder app or a free program like Audacity. In Audacity, click Record, talk clearly into your mic, and click Stop when you're done. Save the audio file and bring it into CapCut. Drag the audio to the audio track and line it up with your video. When it's ready, click Export and choose a resolution like 1080 pixels. If stock footage isn't for you, you can make screen recording tutorials. These are videos where you record your computer screen to show something, like how to use software or explain a concept. A great free tool for this is OBS Studio. Head over to the website, download OBS Studio, and install it. Open the program, click Sources, then Add, and choose Display Capture to record your screen. Click Start Recording to begin and stop recording when you're done. The video saves to your computer. Bring it into CapCut or iMovie to edit. Add a voiceover the same way as with stock footage. Screen recordings work great for niches like tech or finance, where you can show things like setting up a budgeting app or explaining investment strategies. You can also try other faceless video types like whiteboard animations, slideshows, or text-on-screen videos. For whiteboard animations, use a tool like VideoScribe. Head over to the website, sign up, and pick a template or make your own animation. Add text and images that go with your script, then export the video. For slideshows or text-on-screen videos, you can use Canva or Adobe Express. Canva, start a new video project. Add slides with text or images, and animate them to keep things interesting. These formats are simple to create and perfect for sharing info without being on camera. Another option is to use AI tools like InVideo, VidAI, and StoryShort. With these tools, you can easily create tons of YouTube shorts and videos by just typing in a prompt and adjusting some settings.
Trying to stretch your money until payday? Here's how to make it last. First up, track your spending. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to see where your money's going. It's an eye-opener. Next, the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs.
This is a great shortcut that works especially well if you're in the stories niche or want to focus on creating YouTube shorts. Step 3. Get viewers. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that keep people on YouTube for a long time, not just watching your video, but sticking around on the platform. This is called watch time. To boost watch time, use a strategy called the Flywheel System. You make one long video, about 15 to 30 minutes, that's packed with value for your audience. At the end, you can promote something like an affiliate product or something you've created. This long video becomes the heart of your channel, and you link all your other videos to it. To set up the Flywheel System, start by making your long video. Write a script that dives deep into a topic in your niche. For example, if your niche is money, make a video about how to save $10,000 in a year. Record and edit it using stock footage or screen recordings. At the end, add a call to action, like telling viewers to check out an affiliate product in the video description. Upload the video to YouTube and then go to YouTube Studio. Find your long video, click Editor, and choose Add End Screen. Pick Video as the element and link to another video or playlist on your channel. This keeps viewers watching your content. For all your other videos, add end screens that link back to this long video. In YouTube Studio, pick a video, click Editor, and add an end screen pointing to your long video. This creates a loop where viewers go from one video to your long video, increasing session time. The longer people stay on YouTube after watching your videos, the more the algorithm will push your content, giving you more views and subscribers. To package your video nicely so that people click and watch, go to YouTube's search bar and type in keywords for your niche. Look at the top videos and check out their titles and thumbnails. See what's getting a lot of views and think about how you can put your own twist on it. Your title and thumbnail are huge for getting clicks. Keep the title clear and to the point, and make a thumbnail in Canva with bold text and bright colors to grab attention. Step 4. Monetize. You don't actually have to wait for YouTube's partner program to start making money. The partner program lets you make money from ads, but you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year. While you're working toward that, you can earn in other ways. One of the best is high-ticket affiliate marketing. That's when you promote products that pay you a big commission for each sale. These are usually things like online courses, software, or coaching programs that fit your niche. To get started with affiliate marketing, sign up for a network like ClickBank or ShareASale. Browse their marketplace for products that match your niche. For example, if your channel's about investing, look for courses on stock trading or real estate. When you find a product, click Promote to get an affiliate link. Put this link in your video descriptions or pin it in the comments. To promote the product, make videos that naturally lead to it. For example, create a video about biggest investing mistakes and mention the course as a solution at the end. Always say it's an affiliate link to follow YouTube's rules. You can also create your own digital products, but that's optional. If you've got knowledge in your niche, you could make an ebook, course, or template. For example, if your niche is fitness, you could sell a workout plan. Use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to sell your product. Sign up, add a product, upload your ebook or course, set a price, and get a link to share in your videos. Promote it the same way as affiliate products by putting the link in your descriptions. Once you hit the partner program requirements, you can earn from ads. To turn on monetization, go to YouTube Studio and click Monetization. Follow the steps to apply. Once you're approved, you can enable ads on your videos. In YouTube Studio, Go to the Content tab, pick a video, and check monetization. Choose ad types, like skippable ads, and save. How much you make from ads depends on your niche's CPM. High CPM niches like money or tech can pay $10 to $20 per thousand views, while lower CPM niches might pay $1 to $5. To make the most money, start with a high CPM niche, like insurance, software, and online education. By combining ad revenue with affiliate marketing or your own products, you can make hundreds or thousands a month, even with a small channel. Step 5. Grow your channel. The last step is growing your channel to make more money. One way to do this is by setting up a content assembly line. That's a system where you churn out videos faster. Instead of doing everything yourself, hire freelancers for editing, scripting, or voiceovers. On Upwork, post a job for a video editor or voiceover artist. Describe what you need, like edit 10-minute YouTube videos with stock footage, set a budget, check applicants' samples, and hire someone solid. This gives you time to make more videos or plan your channel's growth. You can also grow by starting more channels in different niches. If your first channel's about fitness, try a second one about investing. Use the same faceless video methods and ways to make money. This spreads out your income, so if one niche slows down, others keep bringing in cash. Posting regularly is key to growing. Aim for 1 or 2 videos a week to keep the algorithm happy. Plan ahead with a content calendar. Use a spreadsheet or a tool like Trello to list video ideas and when you'll upload them. This keeps you organized and makes sure you're always putting out new videos. The key to making money from this system is to start now and follow these steps. If you have any questions, I made a community where I personally answer you and guide you step by step to make your first $1,000 online. Inside AI Income Friends, I'll teach you how to leverage YouTube automation, AI-driven short videos, digital products, affiliate marketing, and much more. Plus, you'll have my direct support through bi-weekly live coaching calls to make sure that you stay on track. When you join today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. Click the first link in the description and join AI Income Friends today for instant access to everything. What ideas do you have for your faceless YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.